In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Etsy shop section names. If your shop is growing or your product lineup has shifted, updating section names is a simple way to keep your storefront organized and easier for shoppers to browse. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Etsy. You can also type the site address directly if you prefer. Click the official Etsy result to go to the home page. Once you're there, log into your seller account. Make sure you're using the account that owns the shop you want to edit, so you have access to all the shop tools. After you're signed in, click your account menu and choose Account Settings. This is a quick way to confirm you're in the right profile and to access the seller tools. From there, navigate to your Shop Manager. You can also reach Shop Manager from the top navigation bar. It's the hub for everything related to your shop. Inside Shop Manager, look at the left-hand menu and click Listings. This is where your items live, and it's also where Etsy keeps the controls for shop sections. On the right-hand side of the Listings page, locate the area labeled Sections. Click the Manage link next to it. If you don't see it right away, scroll a bit or widen your window. It's usually along the right panel. A pop-up will appear showing all your current sections. Find the section you want to rename and click the pencil icon next to it. This opens a small editor where you can enter the new section name. Aim for something clear and descriptive so shoppers instantly understand what's inside. Keep in mind that section names have a short character limit, so concise wording is best. Consistent capitalization across all sections can also make your shop look more polished. Once you've typed the new name, click Save Changes. Your update applies right away and will reflect across your shop wherever that section appears. If you have more sections to adjust, repeat the process in the same pop-up. Click the pencil, edit the name, and save. A few quick tips to wrap up. If the Manage link doesn't appear, double-check you're under Listings, not another area of Shop Manager. After saving, refresh your shop homepage to see the changes in context and make sure everything looks consistent. Finally, choose names that align with how your customers search, using simple words that match your products. That's it. You've successfully changed your Etsy shop section names and made your storefront easier to navigate.